Hey guys, welcome back. Samsung's upcoming Galaxy M51 smartphone renders were leaked by popular leakster on leaks. Now we have information of its design along with some key specifications. The Galaxy M51 is speculated to be the successor of last year's launched Galaxy M40 smartphone instead of Galaxy M41. But still it is not clear as there was no Galaxy M50 launched last year. Judging by the renders, the Galaxy M51 is seen with a punch-hole display and it has thin badges on all the sides with rounded corners. The screen is set to measure at 6.5 inch in size, which is 0.2 inch bigger than the Galaxy M40 smartphone. From the back, the phone appears to include a vertically aligned triple camera setup at the top left corner and a squarish module including LED flash. And there is also a fingerprint sensor kept on the rear panel. The volume rockers and power button are visible on the right side, while the left side appears to have ejectable SIM card slot. The bottom of the phone houses a speaker grill along with the USB Type-C charging port, and a 3.5mm headphone jack is present on the top of the device. Talking about the pricing, the Galaxy M51 is expected to price around $250. So as of now, that's all we know about the Galaxy M51 smartphone, and we'll come to know more detail about the phone in the coming days. Anyway, thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Peace out.